Apple's biggest event of the year is getting closer, and the latest rumors suggest this September could bring one of Apple's most exciting product launches in years. From major iPhone upgrades to new smart home devices and even Apple's long-rumored foldable phone, the company could be preparing a huge wave of new technology. While many of these products are expected to come with premium price tags, they may also take the Apple ecosystem to the next level. Let's start with the devices expected to steal the spotlight: the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Recent leaks suggest Apple is planning several big improvements for its Pro lineup. One of the most noticeable changes could be a redesigned dynamic island, giving the front of the phone a cleaner and more modern appearance. Performance is also rumored to get a significant boost. The new Pro models are expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, which could deliver faster speeds, improved power efficiency, and stronger AI performance. Apple may also introduce its new C2 modem, offering better connectivity, stronger signal reception, and improved battery efficiency. Battery life is another area that may see an upgrade. Reports indicate that both Pro models could feature larger batteries, allowing users to spend more time gaming, streaming videos, taking photos, and handling everyday tasks without worrying about charging as often. The camera system could receive some of the biggest improvements. According to recent leaks, Apple is developing a new 3-layer image sensor paired with a variable aperture system. If true, this setup could capture more light and produce sharper, more detailed photos in both daylight and low-light environments. Portrait photography, night shots, and video recording may all benefit from these upgrades. Apple is also rumored to introduce new color choices. Shades like light blue and dark cherry could join classic finishes, such as silver and space gray, giving customers more options to match their personal style. Of course, all of these upgrades may come at a higher cost. Current reports suggest the iPhone 18 Pro could start around $1,300, while the Pro Max may begin at approximately $1,400. But the biggest surprise of the event might not be the Pro models at all. For years, the tech world has been talking about a foldable iPhone, and 2026 could finally be the year Apple enters the foldable smartphone market with a device reportedly called the iPhone Ultra. This foldable device is expected to combine the portability of a traditional smartphone with the larger workspace of a tablet. Leaks suggest it could feature a compact 5.4-inch outer display for quick everyday tasks, while unfolding the device would reveal a much larger 7.8-inch internal screen. A design like this could make multitasking much easier. Watching videos, playing games, editing documents, or running multiple apps side by side may become far more convenient. Apple is also expected to focus heavily on premium design. The iPhone Ultra could feature a clean, minimalist look and may launch in classic black and white finishes. Unlike the Pro models, the foldable iPhone may include a simpler camera setup, although Apple is still expected to deliver flagship-level image quality. The biggest talking point, however, could be the price. Current rumors suggest the iPhone Ultra may cost around $2,500, making it the most expensive smartphone Apple has ever released. That would position it as a premium device aimed primarily at early adopters and tech enthusiasts. Beyond the iPhone lineup, Apple is also expected to refresh its wearable devices. The Apple Watch Series 12 and Apple Watch Ultra 3 are rumored to feature a new S12 chip, bringing faster performance, smoother animations, and better overall efficiency. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a much bigger role as well. Siri could become more capable, allowing users to complete more advanced tasks, receive more personalized responses, and interact with their watches more naturally. However, there may also be an important change for existing Apple Watch users. Reports suggest some older Apple Watch models could lose software support once watchOS 27 arrives, encouraging many users to upgrade in order to continue receiving the latest features and security updates. Apple's home entertainment lineup may also see some major improvements. The next-generation Apple TV is rumored to include the powerful A17 Pro chip, which could deliver faster navigation, smoother streaming, and a better overall viewing experience. One interesting feature may be AI-powered accessibility tools. Siri could automatically generate subtitles and captions, making content easier to enjoy for a wider audience. Finally, Apple is also rumored to unveil a brand new smart home product called the Apple Home Hub. The device is expected to feature a compact 7-inch display with built-in speakers, serving as the central hub for managing smart home devices. With deeper Siri integration, users may be able to control multiple smart home products using a single voice command. Whether adjusting lights, managing smart appliances, checking security cameras, or automating daily routines, the Home Hub could become the centerpiece of Apple's smart home ecosystem. Looking at all these rumored products, one trend is impossible to ignore: artificial intelligence. From smarter Siri interactions and advanced camera processing to intelligent accessibility features, AI appears set to become an even bigger part of Apple's ecosystem. At the same time, cutting-edge innovation usually comes with higher prices. Many of these devices are expected to cost more than previous generations, but Apple seems confident that the added features and improvements will make the higher prices worthwhile. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, this September could be one of Apple's biggest events in years, featuring upgraded iPhones, a foldable device, smarter wearables, improved entertainment products, and an expanded smart home lineup. Which upcoming Apple product are you most excited to see? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech updates. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.